Welcome to the PP800 Slim Mod tutorial. This is a 3D mode compatible with many rebrand models that share the main body of the P800 and even with the CO2 counterpart. To start with, remove the handle screws. Your model may not have the rear screw. Remove only the first trigger pin and discard the trigger. Screw the trigger bolt on the left side of the handle. Insert the internal transmission piece. Make sure it rotates easy. Sand file and post-process your pieces if you need to. Insert the original bolt on the left side of the handle. You will notice a small hole on the trigger. It is made so you can insert the Allen key. Don't let the bolt protrude up. Attach then the trigger and put over the right side of the printed handle. Screw then the bolt further. Put the main body of the air gun over and screw the bolt all the way up. To finish the mod, put the provided bolts on the left side of the handle. Congratulations! Now your PP800 is slim and smaller.